If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates, and make sure you watch the full video till end. Hello friends, how are you? My name is Ahmad and you are watching TM Animation. In this video, I want to tell you about my website, and I know you are thinking why I tell again and again about my site. So you need to know my site has been removed or deleted, and I can't delete my site. My site deleted by blogger, and guys, that was a long story why and how, so please avoid it, and let's jump to the video. And the video about my new site, I am going to tell how you can download pics and items for your DC2 animation from my site. Without wasting any more time, let's start the video with the title How to Download Pics and Items for Drawing Cartoon 2. And please don't skip the video. So let's start. Guys, you need to know everything about my site because he is the one who providing you everything for your animation. So now let's understand the home page of my site. In the home page you get some text, and on top you get sidebar or menu bar. So first let's scroll down and please read these advantage of my site. So let's read. Drawing Cartoon 2, Best Drawing Cartoon 2, Characters, Specs, Effects, Animation Tutorials and Items. Our site providing. We are providing character design. We are providing sometimes character with our hands, means you get best quality characters here. Our team is pro in making characters fast and secure. Loading speed of the site is very good. Site is fast and secure. Don't mind about security. Our site 100% secure. Links 100% secure and allow at -18. No adult content is there. No given viruses links. No hacks. Cannot use fake link shortener. Also all links easy to download. Character promotion is given characters by your request. Our site totally best in all things. Given characters by your request. If you don't find your needs, so our site contact you on email and give characters what you need. Character promotion. Our site is promote other creators characters, even yours. If you upload your character in our site is review your character, and after if it's approved, so your character may be uploaded in our site. Find out more about what we do, so you can read this and scroll down for downloading characters, specs, effects and items. How you can download pics and items. So let's click any of the post and see the downloading steps. So let me click any of the one. So now it will be opened. Once it will be opened, then scroll down and wait 25 seconds for download link, and once the timer was end, so click the download button. Once the timer was end, so click the biggest download button to redirect the 8th fly link. Then you need to wait for 4 seconds again and click skip ad. Then press the allow button, and then you will be redirect the Mediafire or Google Drive and VK link. And you can simply download all these files from here. Number 3, how to make a request. So simply first go to the home page of my site, and then guys, I'm going to tell you about disadvantage of the site. So the second is open sidebar, and then click this page is option. Then you will be redirected in one page. Then now open sidebar again. Then now you get all these pages which I created for you. Then guys click more, and guys you get these pages. So here you can see make a request. So now you will be redirected in the make a request page. So you can make a request for characters, specs, items and animation tutorials. So for requesting, please fill this Google form. So the first is email. You must enter your email address and your name, and select which type of request you want. So first enter your email, and second you enter your name, and the third is which request you want, character by other creator or your own character. Has make your own character from my team. So I am selecting the first option, which is character made by other creator, so it will be free. And then you can scroll down and enter the character name. Please guys fill this form carefully. Did you find your character on VK and any of the blogs? So please click yes. And how much you need your character, so answer by your opinion. And then the last section is, did you want your name of my site? If yes, so please click yes. If no, so please click no. And not one thing, if you click yes, so you need to pay $0.20, which is very small amount. So in my case I clicked yes, so I need to pay $0.20 by clicking this link. So guys please wait, he is redirecting you to Google Form payment gateway. So now it will be redirected. So here you can see your total amount, and scroll down, and then guys please fill this contact information form, and guys on below you need to pay with card. So enter your card number, CVV and expiry date, then country, and fourth, how to request for making proper character by your request. So as it is, enter your email and your name. Then guys, which type of request? So you must choose make my own character as make my character, all rights served you, and then click next, and then you redirect the another page. So now I want to teach you how you can submit your request for making your own character. And not one thing, all life reserved you. Then guys, in the character name you must enter the character name and your YouTube channel link. So let me copy. So for YouTube, and then click your channel logo, and then click 3 lines, and then copy link, and then go on Google and then paste the link. And then how much you need it, so you can type very much. And how you want to get your character, so you can choose these options how you get your character. So let me click email. So in the email you need to pay very short amount, $0.6 only. So how much quality the character provides, so you can select it. So how much quality the character provides, so you can check these options if you want. So any more enchantment you want, if yes click yes, if no so please click no. And in the below, if you clicked yes, so please enter which enchantment you want, and if you click no, so ignore it. And the payment page in the next section, so click OK in this field, and then click submit, and then you can check your form, you submit correct details, and then click submit. If you check the WhatsApp or Telegram number on top, so please enter your Telegram number in the below. And then guys, after click submitting, you will redirect it this page, and then click this link. After clicking this link, you will redirect the payment page in the seconds. So the payment is based by your choices, like I want my character is HD and with shades and with objects. So the total amount based in these choices. So scroll down and please enter your card details and select your country, and then click pay button to pay TM. Click this pay button after entering the details. and your request has been recorded. Number 5, how to purchase TM Animations memberships. So now open sidebar again and then go to the pages option and then open sidebar again and click more again, and now choose this page, TM memberships. Then guys, you redirect in this page in seconds. So now you can check out my all membership plans from here. And note again, the total amount is due by your choice. Like if I want the bronze membership, so I will read these price and then payment by and payment for purchasing this membership. So you can get my website link in the description, so you can read these memberships benefits and price, and then after reading you can purchase this membership by clicking this link. So based on your choices, I clicked subscription for a month because many of the buyers want subscription for a month, not subscription for a year. But if you want subscription for year, so you can click the below link and then as it is enter the same details here and then click subscribe button to subscribe TM Animations membership. Enter your card, enter your contact information and enter your card expiry, card CVV, and then click subscribe button to subscribe TM Animations Prime membership. Number 6, how to purchase TM Animations membership with Google Security. So go to the home page of my site and click here, I mean the pages option, and then wait some seconds, here is loading, and then open sidebar again and click more and click again TM Animations memberships page. Then guys, scroll down fully and then you can read here, read this, and then click buy button for purchasing TM Animations membership with Google Security. So now you will redirected the Google form. So enter your email and enter your name. Don't mind about security, 100% secure because this is a Google form. So click next and then select a plan which you want to purchase, like basic benefits means bronze membership, silver membership, or TM Animations Prime membership. So let me click any of the one and you can zoom it by fingers for reading these benefits, and then after selecting the plan click next button and then choose which subscription you want, like subscription per 4 day, subscription for month, pay weekly, pay yearly, pay monthly, pay daily. So I want to pay monthly, so let me click this pay monthly option and then how much you get, how you want to get benefits of the membership. So you can select this, and if you select setup for Telegram or setup for WhatsApp, so you must enter your Telegram or WhatsApp number in the below field and then scroll down and click OK and click agree and click submit. So now you will purchase the TM Animations membership, but the payment is important. So click this link and now you will redirect the Google payment gateway. Then guys, you need to scroll down and then give your contact details and pay with card. You can also get this link for purchasing TM Animations Prime membership with Google Security on my YouTube channel. So click on about and then get and then click this Prime memberships option in the link section. Number 7, how to upload your free character on my site. So guys, go to the home page of my site and open sidebar again and then go to the pages option again and then guys open sidebar again and then click and then open this and then now guys click this creators community DC2 page and then guys you redirect in my second site, and then now you get this how to upload a free model upload a free model page. And then guys, read these instructions and conditions from here, and after reading click this upload button on below. Then guys, you redirect upload a free model Google Forms, and then guys, enter your email, your name, your character description, who make this model, enter create a name, and then guys, the character, and then click submit. The character will be uploaded. Number 8, how to upload a paid character on my site. So guys, don't go back the second page of this, and guys, follow these steps or conditions. Price in US dollar. Number 3, write payment method. Number 4, write email address. Don't worry, here is no risk, security by Google. Number 5, your character will be uploaded within 24 hours. So enter your email, your name, your YouTube channel name, model title, model description, and then guys, you can upload one photo of the model from here. I uploaded already, and then click this, and then select guys, people contact you for payment methods, or make your own gateway. So let me click the first option, people contact me for payment methods. So now guys, based on your choices, fill this form, like how much payment method you give to the pupil, and then pupils can contact you for my payment methods. In this section, you need to give your contact info. So after clicking submit, your response has been recorded. Your character has been uploaded, and it will be see on my site in within 24 hours. So guys, how to upload a paid character with custom payment gateway. So now enter your email, enter your name, your YouTube channel link or name, enter here, and enter the model title on below. For example, model title, character title like Hulk and Thor. Description, must enter more than 100 words. Please guys, enter more than 100 words here. And then guys, click this second option on below in the payment options field, and click and upload 1 or 5 photos of your character. Then click upload, then click next. Then guys, how you get paid for pupils, like Stripe account, Razorpay account, PayPal account. You must have Stripe account, Razorpay account or PayPal account for this. So, and enter your account details on below, like email or password. Stripe account password, enter below, or the account email. Then guys, after entering these details, then guys, scroll down and guys, please read this about, and then guys, check yes, confirm all of these fields, and then click this link. To calculating the total and going to check out. Now guys, enter here. Now guys, you will redirected this payment gateway. You need to pay $0.50 for this. So in the contact details, enter your name and your email like this, and then click set contact information. And then guys, you need to pay with card. So enter your card number or scan a new card, and enter expiry date or CVC and country and pay.